Introducing our vacuum brush head replacement part for Dreame R10 T20 T30 vacuum cleaner accessory. Made with premium materials, these electric brush heads provide superior cleaning performance by effectively removing dirt, dust, and debris from various surfaces, leaving them spotless. Suitable for hotels, commercial establishments, and households, this vacuum cleaner replacement part is designed to filter dust and prevent it from reaching the motor. With a standard size and customizable packaging, it is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Choose professionalism and authenticity with our high-quality replacement brush heads. Available now from Nanjing TC Tech Co.